Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to hide photos into a gallery in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s. First of all, open your gallery, standard application into this phone, and press and hold two photos to select it, for example these two. And now on the bottom we got Add to Album button, tap it and choose Private Albums. To view the item you made private, swipe down in Albums, tap OK. Now need to log in into a Xiaomi cloud, so tap Next, sync in with me account, and need login. I'm logged in with my Google account, so wait a second for logging. And now need set up your privacy protection password for this folder, maybe this one, and confirm and tap Next. Add me account to able to reset your password, click add, and how you can see my account successfully added to private album, so got it. Now go into our albums and press and hold down privacy protection password, click OK and enter your password. Fingerprint unlock maybe later, and how you can see here we got our two photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.